Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're doing what we always do. We're doing a luxury shopping vlog with Alana. Alana loves coming with me shopping. I know a lot of people kind of think that I just kind of drag her on these things. But Alana, do you like to go shopping with mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, she likes to come, guys. And if I go without her, she'll be super upset. If you guys saw my most recent double unboxing, which if you didn't, it'll be linked right up here. But you know that I have something that needs to be returned. It's a very sad, unfortunate situation that I was really trying to avoid, but apparently we didn't do it. We didn't avoid it. So we're gonna go return it today and kind of just see what is up in the stores. I did go shopping recently with Alana on Black Friday. No, actually that was Black Saturday. But I just love going shopping during Christmas time. I know like no one likes it, but this is pretty much the only time that I do like to go into store because I feel like it's just so joyful, Christmassy, merry, all that crap. So very excited to go. So if you guys want to come shopping with me and Alana, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like shopping, shoes, jewelry, if any of that stuff tickles your pickle, this is definitely where you're gonna want to be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. I recently found out, by the way, that I say definitely like 70 times in the beginning of my videos. I don't mean to do that, but like now I'm gonna be like super conscious of it. And definitely follow, you see, I did it again. And if you would like, you could also follow me on Instagram, where I post every single day outfit of the days. I post reels, stories. I post a lot of stuff over there, okay? So if you guys are interested, definitely follow me. I did it again. But with all that out of the way, let's get driving. I will show you guys our outfits later. My hair is wet, so if you see any like water on my jacket, like, okay, it'd be like that, okay? But yeah, I will show you guys our outfit of the days later, and for now, let's get on the road. Here's the bag of the day, along with my absolute favorite drink of all time. Seriously, if you guys have not tasted this, you need to try it out. If you're like watching what you eat or whatever, trying not to drink too many calories, this tastes freaking amazing. The bag of the day is the Red Mini. Are they taking pictures with Santa? Do you think they're taking pictures with Santa? Do you want to take a picture of the nutcrackers? Okay, go. Hey, cheese. Look at me. Nice. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Then what? Watch it. Which one of these is your favorite color? The D-waist lines. You know that's my favorite too. It's a good one. Dad sandals. What? You don't like these? I feel like you would like this one especially. Look at this one. It's pink. Or the gold. The gold is really pretty actually. What do you want? What do you like? Still love this one. Like really love this one. Let's get over. I think these are for boys. They're really cool. Ooh. Do you want a shoe? What are you looking at, Alana? I feel like Elva would like this. You feel like Daddy would like these, Lana? That's socks. Put it down. Put it down. Look, do you think Daddy would like these? It's a zipper, I think. Careful with it. I guess that's how you put it on instead of the shoelaces, right? That's pretty cool. I like this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is like the coolest sneaker I've ever seen in my life. Look at this, all for like $6.5. No, these are really nice. I like these. What about these ones? I feel like you like all of them. I like this color. My favorite. Okay, I feel. Do you love all of them? Because that's cheating. I like this one. These are so big in person. Alana. We don't have time, you said? Are we rushing? You don't love these? This is exactly what you would like. You don't love this? Look at this. Look how sparkly that is. These are humongous platforms, like giant. I like this one. Uggs has its own section. You know how many pairs of Uggs I have? I'm so happy that they're in style right now. Look, Alana, me and you have, well, I think yours don't fit you anymore, but I have these still. Come. This is all the stuff on sale. Alana, look at this. This is on sale. Okay, what do you like from here?
Wait.
Do you want to clean it up a little bit? Alright, go ahead. Go upstairs. Alright. This is on sale. You don't have to do it. It's okay. Good job. Very proud of you. What? Oh, I found that one. It's over here. Here we go. Put it next to each other. These are so nice. And these are really nice too. Alright, baby, you don't have to pick up everything. It's okay.
There's like 100 of them.
Yes, there is.
And there's 100.
Yeah, and there should be. These boots that I like. There they are. Wait. Do you like these boots? No? Okay, what about this one? It's a little bit different. No? So what do you like? Yeah, but it's winter. That's not... Well, I guess you could wear that in winter. Okay. So you like everything except what I picked, is what you're saying. Pretty much. I really like this guy. This color. This color is so nice. You like this one? You like that one? That one's your favorite? No. Be careful. Alana, look, this one is for you. It is so tiny. This is like... You can't bring it down too much. That's it. No more. That one's really cute. Look at the little baby. Okay, you can't play with them. You could look at them if you want. Isn't that cool? Oh, that is literally back up there. used to have Legos and you lost all of them. So let's go. Look at the sunglasses. Alright, Lana. You like that chair? Oh my god, I can't even get it on. My hair is getting stuck in it. What do you think about these shoes? Oh my god, why do I love them so much? Look at this. I like these a lot. Oh, these are okay. Oh my god. Your face is a little small for that. Nothing new since last time. Pretty much. It's kind of huge. For like Alana. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. God. It'd be nice. You think Daddy would like any of these? Any of them? This one? That one is nice. He doesn't, I know he doesn't. This one, super teeny tiny. This is so cute. Look. I like this. Alana. This pink color is amazing. Light gray. This looks like it's light gray. Like my mini. It's not handled. Alana, come look at this. This is the softest thing ever. Look at this. Did you feel it? Isn't it so soft? These bags are just so boring. I like this size for some reason so much more. What do you want me to look at, Alana? Not worth that. This color. What do you want me to look at? This is so big. Is that one soft too? Did you feel it? Oh my god, the mock croc in green. This is amazing. And there's an even smaller size. This is so adorable. Can you see that? It's smaller. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, which one do you want me to see? This soft one? That is really soft. You're right about that. I love this taupe color. All right. Nothing in here. It's tonic. Magic. Your jacket is so dirty. So we're back in the car. It's about to rain, so we gotta call it a day. Also, we need to go get dinner, which is gonna be Taco Bell for today. Are you excited?
Taco Bell.
You have literally Auntie Anne's all over your mouth. So I feel like things are not really that different than they were last time we were here. I'm still gonna probably post this. Obviously, if you're seeing this, I mean, I posted it. But things are not, they have not really changed at Saks. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And let me know, what was your favorite piece that we saw today? You guys know I love those Chanel boots. And I really want to pair. You know, you told me you didn't like them. I really want to pair in white, but I only saw the gray. And the gray was not even leather. It was like a different type of material. So didn't go for those. But maybe I'll find them another time. But yeah, that's all I have to say for today's video, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. So I just realized I never did actually show my outfit, so I'm already home, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So marine starter top in black with the red moons. I have the white version with the black moons, and I am really considering getting the brown with the like light brown, like beige moons. So I really love this top. But I'm wearing this two-tone necklace chain type situation that I don't know what brand this is from, but I love it. I'll link it in the description box. It's amazing. These earrings are from Fashion Nova. These jeans are from Blank NYC. They are my favorite jeans, but I have no idea if they're available because my mom gave these to me. And I'm wearing these booties, sock booties from Shein. They are so comfortable, even though they have a heel. And they're really cute. Look at Elvis shoes. And my Uggs. And my other shoes. Oh my God, we're a hot mess. It has a clear heel. Oh my God, I never took this off. It has a clear heel, but they are sock booties. They go to like right here. And they're so freaking comfy. And look at how pointy they are. I freaking love these. So, tis the outfit that I wore today. I still have to take pictures, even though it's dark as hell outside. We're just gonna have to figure it out. So, here it is. My hands have like Auntie Anne's and lipstick all over. This is like the most disturbing thing that I've ever shown the internet. Look at my Justin Clue with icing on it.